Although evidence of Dutch exploration and colonization can be seen across the globe, Dutch cuisine never really seems to have caught on.
How about some Dutch tonight, honey? Or a great new Dutch place just opened up downtown. Let's check it out.
Aren't exactly phrases you hear very often. Or ever.
This is because Dutch food is, by most accounts, bland. A little surprising, as the Dutch East Indies Trading Company traded mostly in spice. But apparently, like any good business-based culture, the Dutch don't get high on their own supply. Survival tip: bring your own spice. The Dutch are a simple and pragmatic people, and this is obvious when looking at their culinary techniques. They either A, mash the hell out of something, B, boil the life out of something, or C, deep fry the shit out of something. The first two methods are both used to create the long-standing staple of the Dutch diet, stampot. Potatoes and veggies mashed together, smoked sausage on the side, doused in gravy. Voila! A perfect storm of Dutch cuisine. Some critics fault the Dutch kitchen for lacking variety, but that's just not true. What about the Zorkel stampot? Or the andijvie stampot? Or the wortel stampot? See? Variety!